So you mentioned we had a lot of bent grass. This is an area that
Holy cats.
every weekend there's something going on this lawn. Last weekend we had a 200-person wedding, kind of set up right where that cart's driving, but they had 200 chairs set there, planters, flowers, and the wedding ceremony is literally right there, on kind of this side of the hydrant. And the week before that we had a renovation opening where the architect came back. We had a couple hundred people out here at the wedding reception. We had a tent here on this back lawn, which we can walk back there too. But so that tent was up for a week. It just came down yesterday. There's another one going up in another week. So all the weddings last year from COVID got rescheduled for this year. So we got, I think, 8 tents going up on that lawn this year. So the question is, do I spend time even trying to babysit it? But it's like formal dining back there, and it's the worst place it could be. And
it's one of those places you just saw.
So we spend a lot of time, trying to keeping this going through the summer. The trees obviously put pressure on it too, with sucking moisture and dropping debris. And
a couple are in pretty bad shape, so I'm not sure that you're going to have to contend
and that's
with
been
them for long.
the debate, because when we did this bluff work, we were wondering, should we take these down in the process, but they did. So the Saturday before Memorial Day last year, we had a 6-inch rain. This is our 10th tee right here. It used to go all the way back, kind of just beyond the trash can there, but we had an oak tree there too in the low cut. So that whole hillside here slid down the hill. Again, this Memorial Day, it was about 3 feet from the edge of the tee. So last summer we just kind of roped off the edge, and we addressed that right after the golf course project last fall. But we put in an H-pile double tier support system to hold the bank.
How'd you get the equipment in here?
Well, that's the thing. We put a timber road pretty much from the circle there through this lawn, right on this side of the trees, right through here, right through this bed. Had cranes in here and all kinds of
pile driver.
Yep. Even before that, we had boring tests done. They had big equipment here, just doing testing too. And so we've been nursing this back too on top of it.
Looks good.
We didn't really have to. It was down. We had timber planks on this for 10 weeks, and we actually got it back. I'm pleasantly surprised. But now we're bringing the landscaping. So now this area is turned into kind of a feature area, people want to stand here and view. So I think what we're going to be doing this fall is putting bent grass back in that area, putting some bluestone, like a half moon near the wall, where they can have the tee and the sitting area both. But we just literally finished this landscaping last week. The wall, it's come a long way in 3 weeks from what it was.
Looks good.